Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. Big changes are in the offing. A beautiful day today. A lot of sunshine in the FM area. Tower cam time lapse from our towers here in South Fargo showing that gorgeous color in the sky. Now Friday as a first alert weather day, as changes actually will begin on Wednesday. But the biggest impacts for much of our area will be felt on Friday morning and again on that Friday afternoon commute. Here's a look at the timeline. First and foremost, Wednesday will bring temperatures in the 40s for many of us and a beautiful day, but falling temperatures are expected late. And you know what else? The wind is going to start picking up. We'll have some rain Wednesday night. On Thursday, we're going to see periods of light snow, and that will increase throughout the day. Doesn't come with a lot of wind on Thursday, but by Thursday night, the snow intensity picks up, as does the wind. And that means by Friday morning, things could be slippery, slick, and snowy. The snow continues for a good portion of Friday, the way it looks right now. And it does look like a considerable area in our viewing area. We'll get that 4 to 6 inch total along with the wind. Here's a look at one model. The European model shows that rain making its way in with windy conditions from the west as we warm to 40. Temperatures fall into the 20s and we'll have passing snow showers as we go through our Thursday. Notice it doesn't come with a lot of wind when the event is happening. That wind is out to the west. Then as we go through the event on Friday, we'll get the combination of wind and continued snowfall that is going to add up in some places. Now, the European model, has the snow spreading from the valley into western Minnesota, and that's where things are heaviest. The lighter amounts as you go out to the far west. The American model differs a little bit. We're going to keep you on top of that. It's still a little early in the game, but we want to make sure you get that first alert to what's coming as we go toward the latter portion of the week. A few clouds building in tonight. That's a good thing. Many of us have cooled off fairly rapidly. Here's a look at the storm system we're eyeballing that will impact our weather later in the week. And here is a look at visibilities. Look at Old Hector International, zeros. That means you can't see very far. We're going to show you a neat shot from our tower cam here momentarily, but under a mile in places like Fergus Falls and Bemidji, as well as the valley and western Minnesota are struggling with visibilities, but nobody really having problems with anything on the radar tonight. Temperature 19, Fargo 18 in Langdon, 24 for Baudette, and 25 in Bemidji. And here is a look at our tower cam. And notice this area here. Our tower is up off the ground several feet, and we can see on top of the cloud deck now. So it's forming in that cold, soupy air that has cooled to 19 degrees at Hector. Visibility, well, it's pretty low, 0 out at the airport, and calm are the winds at this hour. Here is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast for tonight. Best chance of that fog with an isolated flurry will be in northwest Minnesota and the valley. We'll see clear skies out to the west, and west winds will dry things up a bit, but late in the day we'll have a chance for isolated spits of rain and snow as a warm front tries to push in. Notice those temperatures pretty mild. Another sunny day for many of our western counties, more clouds off to the east. Fargo climbing from the teens into the 30s with some sun in the afternoon. It looks very nice. Cannot rule out an isolated flurry or sprinkle in the evening, but the best chance of that will be north. Snapshot, coolest air tomorrow afternoon to the east, out to the west though, near 40 once again in Jamestown. Beautiful photo here. Maybe Mike can do some water skiing there, Michelle, on Lake Ashtabula. Thanks for sharing your photo. Now look at your planning forecast. Wednesday, the change starts. After that, we're talking, Andrea, about temperatures that will be falling into the freezing category Thursday. Friday, the big impact. Snow with accumulation and wind. Quieter for the weekend ahead, but also much cooler as well.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Lawmakers